Yeah, welcome back. Dear participants, we said earlier that there are two types of memory. You have the primary storage and the secondary storage. The primary storage, as you could see from the earlier image, it has two, which is the RAM and the ROM. You know, the RAM now, RAM meeting is a short form for random access memory. It is the memory often referred to as main memory. The one we talk about main memory, you are referring to RAM. It is because it is working memory when the CPU uses while executing instruction. It's called random access because information can be read from and write to. Why do we call it random? It is because information can be read from and write to at any given time. We normally denote it with read slash write. Now what about ROM? ROM. You know, remove the A, you replace it with O. ROM is a short form for read-only memory. It's a non-volatile memory that it retains its content even when there is loss of power. You know, if you are working and the power just goes off, it is what it still remains. It still retains its content. You know, it is a permanent storage. Content of ROM chips is usually a factory program. So this is where you have the factory program where it resides. So this is non-volatile, while RAM is volatile. It means that when light goes off, when you are working with a RAM, you lose your information. It is a temporary stuff. But this RAM is permanent. Now, what about the secondary memory? Remember we mentioned, if you can still recollect the graph, we have several of them that we listed. We talk about the magnetic storage. You can see as you can, in magnetic storage, this is type of it. This one that is here, this particular one that you can find is a magnetic storage. While all this one, they are known as hard disks. Is a main secondary storage for a typical computer. These are the secondary storages that you can find in the computer. The hard drive, the hard disk drive. This is how they look like. And you have the optical storage as well. You know, when we talk in terms of the Blu-ray, the DVD, the CD, all those ones are optical. As you can see, where it's been put in the laptop, this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like also. And then you have all right, those are the ones that we need to know for now. Now what about the applications of computer system? You know, where do we apply computer system, which is the last thing we're talking about. You can apply it in scientific engineering and research. You can apply it in business, in medicine, in education, in game entertainment. You know what we are applying now, we are using computer and we are using it in education. So there are class. Thank you for listening. Thank you for paying a rapt attention for all that we discussed, and I hope to hear from you soon from our discussion forum. Thank you and God bless you.